So, like I said in the staff meeting, it's best with the students and it's best with yourself to master what is simple and what's easily adaptable to distance learning first before trying to layer things on top of it. So, once the students are adept at adding comments and doing it correctly with the Wildcats Wonder Annotation Chart, if you want to take it to that next level and insert images like actually boxing in the transitions or circling new, unfamiliar, and challenging words, or even adding stars to the main idea, you can do that with Google Docs. So we're just going to focus on those three things. So let's focus on boxing in text. If the students are identifying transition words like even while, they'll highlight, and they can right-click on it to copy or Control-C. They want to copy those words, though, and go up to Insert, Drawing, New, and we want to box it in. So up here, you'll see there's options for shapes. Snag the rectangle here. Stretch this one out and paste in those transition words. Control-V will also work. I'm going to paste it without formatting just so I don't have any issues. And the size of the text box on the screen right now is how big it will be when it's inserted into the text. So you do want to shrink that down. Once you have it, you'll click Save and Close, and there it is. Those transition words are boxed in. Now they're kind of huge, so I'll show you how to address that with the second part of this. Now, one of our most important annotations is word exploration, and the students will circle new, unfamiliar, and challenging words to them. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to circle certain words. So let's say I'm a student, I don't know what the word coalition means. Again, I'll highlight the text, I will copy it, and I will do almost the exact same thing that I did before. I'll go to Drawing, I'll go to New, and instead of selecting the rectangle, I will select a circle. Stretch that circle out, make it nice and big to start, and then paste in the word. Coalitions. Shrink it back down just like before. Stretch it out so it remains on one line. And what I'm going to do here is highlight it again. And notice, it's just like the rest of Google Docs. I can change the font size. So I think all the fonts are 12. So let's just make it 12 for now, but you could make it smaller. Stretch it out. Get it to where it looks nice. Save and close. And there it is again. It looks awkward on the page a little bit. It takes some getting used to, but it's an annotation. And that word now sticks out. That is either a new, unfamiliar, or challenging word. And that's clear just from looking at the page here. Now, our final annotation of focus is to star the main idea. So here's how to add symbols into the Google Doc. So let's say the main idea is right here, this sentence in number 8. It's not, I'm just using this as an example. So I just click there, I don't highlight anything, but I go back up to Insert, and what I want is special characters. So I'm going to go down here, and there's a huge overwhelming list here, and there's drop-down menus. Forget all that and just search for star. There's a white medium star here. I like the shooting star. Click your favorite, and you'll see, you can also draw a symbol if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to insert a star, and you'll see it's already in there, so I can click out, and there's the star highlighting my main idea. So hopefully this helps you a little bit. Feel free to share this video with the students if you think it will help them, if you think you're ready for this. And if this just seems like all too much, then put it away for another day.